Good morning everybody, it's another day, it's another roof clean, that one there behind me. Yeah, back in a familiar territory once again. You might recognise the way these houses look. I've done a couple of videos here so far. So what I'll do is I'll show you how these other ones I did the other month are getting on. Before I start as well, I'd just like to say my channel's just gone over 200 subscribers, which I'm over the moon about. I only started making videos in September. And yeah, I'm already there already, which is brilliant. I didn't expect to get to 200 that quick, so thank you everyone for subscribing. I do really appreciate it. Right, I'll show you these houses I've done now. There you are. There's the two properties I did. I think one I did last month and one was the month before that. You can see they're coming along lovely. And, but yeah, the one today, it's just the back of this property and it's a scrape only treatment. So there'll be no biociding, no soft washing on this one. She opted just for a scrape only because it's, you know, gets the job done. The results won't be as long lasting, but at least there'll be no moss on the roof for a while. So as you can see, this one's pretty loaded as well. They all are around here, to be honest. So yeah, I'm finding it difficult to find a spot to video this one in. So it'll probably just be head cam the whole time. So if it's a bit shaky, I do apologise. I'm going to get a better camera at some point. With some image stabilisation to make it better. But right, I'm starting a bit late, so before I waste any time, I'm just going to crack on. Hope you enjoy the video and thank you very much. Cheers. Well, all right then folks, approaching the end now. My other camera has died, so yeah, I'm just checking in with you here. I've got about 2 tiles in width left to do, which is glorious. So I'm yeah, very happy with this. Very happy I was able to get to it all as well. I'm gonna have to go next door because this is in the way, just to get those last 2 little bits. But yeah, it's a shame it's not soft washing it, because I would like to come back soon and see the finish of it. But when you don't soft wash it, you never know how quickly it's all going to grow back. But obviously it's not going to get that bad for a while. You know, you'd hope for at least a couple of years really before it gets back to something like that. But you know, you can't offer any promises. So if any of you out there are not offering the treatment, you really cannot guarantee a time frame to your customers, because you don't know how long it's going to be. We have one bad winter, you know, that's damp all the time, and it could be growing back really quickly. So it's important to let them know that. I just thought I'd show you something really satisfying as well. When your broom perfectly fits onto the conservatory roof window. Look at that. Oh, easy peasy. Right, I'll check in with everyone when I'm done. Folks, we're all done. Everything's looking great. Struggled a bit there. I accidentally scraped a few tiles that I shouldn't have. but that's all right. There is some interest from the neighbour anyway, so I may end up doing that one anyway soon. So yeah, brilliant. I'm very pleased with that. So I hope you can see on the video. It's getting quite dark. I mean, it's 4:10 now, so yeah, winter is upon us, so it gets dark pretty quick. But yeah, very pleased. It's all come up lovely. So all that's left to do now is yeah, tidy up this mess. But I'll pop in some before and afters just in case you forgot what it looked like. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. And thanks again as well for over 200 subscribers now. I really appreciate everyone that's subscribing and commenting on the videos. Yeah, I'll definitely carry on this YouTube thing and keep uploading. I've got some pretty huge jobs coming up in the next couple of weeks before Christmas. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making some videos on them. But yeah, thanks very much everyone. I'll catch you next time. Cheers.